Yeah, no kidding, right? If I went back to that, no one would be using that because it's stock. Super clean. If I wanted, actually, I could customize those.
Yeah.
Looks brand new. Take a couple of photos of the stuff we're selling online and clean up the garage a little bit, organize, bring it inside, and then we'll start the wrap. This color, so excited actually. Let's do it. Guys, welcome to another Kings Must Rise vlog. Starting the day off in the garage, as you can see. Now today we don't really have a set plan, but me and Shane decided that since we got the wraps for all 3 cars yesterday, we're gonna wrap one of them. Let's get it. First off, shout outs to the Eliminate crew for the really comfy pullovers. I was actually gifted this yesterday by my good friend Mo. Put you guys down. Now you guys probably already know who the Eliminate crew is, but if you guys want to pick yourselves up one of these nice pullovers, you can head over to their website. But before we get to any of the wrapping, oh my goodness, it started snowing again. I'm just gonna quickly bring the MX-3 to the nearest car wash, give her a quick rinse. Man. Alright. Still pretty cold, and I forgot my glasses inside, but luckily it's not all that far. So quickly wash the car and just make my way back here because it's cold. Alright, just gonna quickly dry this up before we get started on the wrap. Probably gonna take the fender pieces off from bumper, try to do all the pieces in isolation, make things easier, and we'll see how far we can actually get into the wrapping of this car. Probably not gonna be finishing it today, we'll see. And actually Gutu just got one of the first pieces of his Lexus build. He got a new exhaust for his IS350, so later on when he stops by we'll try and help him install that. But for now, this thing. If we're having troubles getting under the fender liners, I'll just take the wheels off, but I'm pretty sure we should be able to wrap the car as is without having to lift it. And as for wrapping experience, you guys who have been following me for a while now probably know that I've done one car before and I've done a couple of roofs, but I wouldn't consider myself a professional car wrapper. I'm not a rapper. Just saying. I mean, last summer I did do the entire wrap of my FRS, but if this doesn't turn out immaculate, you guys are gonna have to give me a pass. They do this. Dude, Eva hooking it up with the milk teas. Wow. Always. How are you? Good. And she brought us snacklets, dude. Thank you so much. Woo. Oh my god. Thank you. Heat it up a bit and then these bubbles will start appearing, but then you can just push them out. That's if you get the air release vivid vinyl wrap stuff. This is so forgiving. It's really hard to mess up with it, but it just takes time. So right now I'm just pushing out all the extra air. Cool. Almost. Sorry.
Just keep
Yeah, that's good.
I was surprised how fast they were, because I didn't know what was wrong with me.
Can you shine it here? Down here?
Couldn't hold anything down, and my vision was blurry.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does that too.
And I took the pill.
This is a cool color, holy cow.
Yeah, it's gonna stand
It's like
out.
an actual orange, you know?
Beautiful.
Okay, so I'm gonna boogie home real fast.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Come back to that fender.
Yo, that would be sweet. So Nick's actually donating us the driver's side fender piece because mine is kind of... Yeah, see you guys. Perfect. Where is this mokehead?
I know.
This mokehead, dude. Nice, dude. Nice advice, dude. Yeah.
But...
Dude.
Is it recording? What the heck? Alright, we've been at the wrap for a good couple of hours now, and we've only managed to do one fender side and the door. And I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. But Shane's on his way. He's gonna take the MX-3, so can't work on it anymore. Ta-da! Go over here. No bees. So bright. Alright. Yeah, no worries. Guti's wrapping the other fender pieces up here by himself because he has experience, so I trust him. But now he's gonna bring in his Lexus and we're gonna try to install his new exhaust. Okay, that's good, that's good. Rocking that mad plate. Oh, you're right. It does look like an F.
Spot on.
Damn. I'll lay down some cardboard for you.
So it's a Tsudo exhaust, and it's one of the cheaper ones in the market, but I heard nothing but good reviews on it. So I figured I'd give it a shot and see how it goes. Hopefully it sounds good.
Oh, burnt tips, man. That's fucking sweet. Yo, I'm excited for you. That is sweet, dude.
So this new exhaust is gonna be replacing these dinky ones.
How tiny that is.
Bruh, welcome to the game, my friend.
It's just the beginning.
Pretty much. Pretty straightforward installing these, just a couple of bolts. Might take some finesse getting it through and getting it off of the rubber hangers, but other than that, it should be an easy install. Comparison, hey.
It's actually.
Yeah, dude. Yo, good job, dude. Both exhausts are finally out. Those are Top 1 Motorsports. They're actually universal. They can fit on anything. Yeah, test it out, man. Yeah. Super shiny. Moment of truth. Ta-da! Alright, gates. Those look pretty badass. Yeah. Nick, thanks for all the help, man. You out too? Okay, sounds good, man. Drive safe. All right, Mo, thanks for stopping by. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the KFCs. Peace. All right, so finished up at the garage. Last person here, as usual. So I'm just gonna walk up. We're actually gonna continue the MX3 wrapping tomorrow, so catch you guys tomorrow. Buddy? Buddy? Who's that doggy dog? What are you doing here, Poppy? Hey, who's that? He actually licked the screen. Buddy? Aw. He's chilling. You cool there, dude? Budwin. What's the matter, doggy dog? You don't want to come play? Alright, guys. Think I'm gonna have to call this one a night. Chill with my buddy boy. Okay. Say peace, buds. Bud, peace. Woo! If you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Peace.